Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Izzatul Aisyah binti Muhammad Surani. My metric number is CN180042. Today I would like to present my bachelor degree project 1. The title is Study of Improvement Strength in a Concrete using Pineapple Fiber as an Addition. Firstly is a Chapter 1 Introduction. From introduction is have a background study. The background study of this research is a concrete is a material that is produced according to a certain ratio form into a structure. It has a compressive properties but low tensile as well as have brittle properties. Second, the use of concrete mixture additive is a good alternative to forming a variety to achieve a wide range of the properties better than the properties of conventional concrete. Thirdly, is a pineapple leaf fiber used as an additive is a material made from the agricultural waste. Agricultural waste is among the item deposited in landfill. Fourthly, pineapple leaf fiber has properties that are suitable to reduce crack and concrete surface. At the same time, can treat the problem of the waste from agriculture waste. Next is a problem segment. Problem segment for this research is first, agriculture waste is one of the larger waste production in Malaysia due to influence agriculture waste management. Secondly, the pineapple leaf are material that many agriculture reduce production. Ordinary concrete is prone to cracking on the surface because it is a high compressive strength, while a lower tensile style. After that is an objective. Objective for the research is to analyze the workability characteristic of the pineapple leaf fiber as an additive in concrete, and to compare the barrier of the concrete with a pineapple leaf fiber in a different fiber ratio with a conventional concrete. Next is a scope of this study. First, produce pineapple leaf fiber from the pineapple leaf stem by using manual method through the correction process. Second, pineapple leaf fiber measuring 6 mm in length and 5 micromillimeter in diameter was added to the concrete mixture using a different percent ratio as 0.05%, 0.1%, 0.15%, 0.2% for each sample. Third, the size of each sample cube was 100 mm multiply 100 mm multiply 100 mm for each sample using a 1 of 1.5 of 3 design ratio mix. The fourth, on the 7th and 28th day, the test of sieve analysis, lump test and compressive strength and water desorption will be performed. The last of the chapter 1 is a significant study. Firstly, control agricultural waste dumping in landfill by turning pineapple leaf waste into a fiber made from organic method. Second, the study aimed to make sustainable concrete environmentally friendly and able to function like ordinary concrete. Third, the use of pineapple leaf fiber as an additive in concrete to improve workability and can balance tensile strength. The fourth, the use of pineapple leaf fiber can reduce and cracking and surface due to the high temperature rate. Next chapter is a literature review. From this table is a summary of the previous study for research using pineapple leaf fiber as additive in concrete mixture. Fundamentology is show the flowchart. The flowchart show the first is a start, second is define title, third literature review, fourth preparing of material and specimen is divided of two, material collection and preparing specimen, third laboratory test, six data collection, seventh analysis of data, eighth writing study report, and after that is a end. Okay, the preparing material divide of two. First, pineapple leaf fiber. The process firstly is a isolation pineapple leaf from a bouquet of the pineapple leaf. Second, prepare pineapple leaf by soaking them in a HCI solution. Thirdly, is the process of eroding the skin of the pineapple leaf. The other materials is a pineapple leaf fiber concrete. Firstly, this concrete is provided using a basic material such as a ordinary Portland cement, fine and coarse aggregate. According to the percent ratio of each concrete at pineapple leaf fiber produced manual to the concrete. Next, concrete material are tested of the workability using a slump test and they are put into a 100 mm multiple 100 mm multiple 100 mm cube mold for the hardness process and will be. Lastly, pineapple leaf fiber was curing in a laboratory perspective tank for the 7 and 28th day. Next is a quantity of the cube concrete. The quantity of the cube concrete for this research is a 60 set. It can show from the table. The 30 set first is a preparation for the testing, compressive test and water absorption, and the other 30 set is for preparing in 28th day for testing, compressive and water absorption. The next is a design mix concrete DIO method using DIO method. The first table show the concrete mixture property by using DIO method. For the first trial mixture is 0.060 meter cube. The trial mixture 0.060 meter cube get from the concrete mixture design. The second table show the concrete mixture design calculation amount of material that required based on DIO method is get from the trial mixture 0.060 meter cube. Next is testing. Firstly, sieve analysis is to determine the partial distribution measure of fine and coarse aggregate material of be used in a measurer. Second, slump test to measure the workability of the concrete. Third, compressive strength test to measure the level of strength of concrete depend on the age and ratio of the measurer used. The lastly is water absorption to determine the amount of water absorption by concrete through the curing process. The expected outcome for this research is first, pineapple leaf fiber can be used in concrete mixture to improve the workability of concrete as it has strong style properties that can be used as a binder. Second, the use of pineapple leaf fiber in a construction sector can prevent the environment from the agriculture waste.